Imagine waking up, rolling over, and grabbing your phone, only to see that while you were sleeping, your bank balance grew. No alarm clocks, no rushing to work, just money flowing in. Sounds like a dream, right? But for those who understand the power of passive income, this is their daily reality. And the best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to start earning passively. You just need the right knowledge and strategies. Today, we'll explore some of the most powerful passive income ideas that can make you money 24/7. And if you stay till the end, I'll share one of the most overlooked passive income strategies that the wealthy use to build massive wealth without even lifting a finger. So, let's dive in. 1. What is passive income? Breaking the money myth. Most people are stuck in a cycle. They trade time for money. The moment they stop working, their income stops too. Think about it. If a doctor stops seeing patients, they don't get paid. If a teacher quits teaching, their salary stops. Even high-income professionals like lawyers and consultants make money only when they work. But what if you could build income streams that continue to pay you even when you're not actively working? That's the secret that wealthy individuals have figured out. Instead of working for money, they make money work for them. They build systems, invest in assets, and create products that generate revenue long after the initial work is done. Let's look at a few examples. A landlord builds or buys a house once but gets paid rent every month. A YouTuber uploads a video today and keeps earning from it for years through ads and sponsorships. An investor buys dividend stocks and gets paid regularly just for holding them. These are all examples of passive income, and in this video, I'll show you how you can start building your own income streams today. 2. High-yield investments. Make your money work for you. The first rule of passive income is to make your money work harder than you do. This is how the wealthy multiply their wealth effortlessly. Instead of letting money sit in a regular savings account, where it barely grows, they invest it in assets that generate returns. Here are some of the best passive income investment options. Dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you regularly just for holding them. For example, companies like Coca-Cola and Apple distribute profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. The more shares you own, the more passive income you receive. Bonds and index funds. These are great for people who want a lower risk investment. Bonds pay you a fixed interest, while index funds allow you to invest in a collection of top-performing companies, ensuring steady, long-term returns. Real estate rentals. Buying property and renting it out is one of the oldest and most reliable passive income strategies. Once you have tenants, the money keeps coming in every month. The key takeaway? Don't just save money, invest it in assets that generate cash flow and appreciate in value. 3. The power of digital products. Make money without a boss. Imagine creating something once and getting paid for it forever. That's the power of digital products. With the internet, anyone can create and sell digital products with very little upfront investment. Here are some of the best options. Online courses. If you have a skill or expertise, you can package it into an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once the course is live, students can keep buying it without you having to do anything extra. Ebooks and templates. If you enjoy writing, you can publish an ebook and sell it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. If you're good at design, you can create and sell digital templates on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Stock photography and videos. If you have a camera or even a good phone, you can take high-quality photos or videos and sell them on stock platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Every time someone downloads your content, you get paid. The best part? Unlike physical businesses, digital products don't require inventory, shipping, or employees. You create it once and automation handles the rest. 4. Automated online businesses. Money on autopilot. Thanks to the internet, you can now build an online business that runs on autopilot. You don't have to be there 24/7. Your website, content, or platform does the work for you. Here are some of the best automated business models. Affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. Big companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer affiliate programs where you get paid just for referring customers. Blogging and YouTube. Creating valuable content can turn into a money-making machine. Once your blog or YouTube channel gains traffic, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. Even old videos or blog posts can continue earning revenue for years. Dropshipping. This is an e-commerce model where you sell products online without handling inventory. You set up a store, list products, and when someone places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You earn a profit without ever touching the product. If done right, an automated business can bring in money every day, even when you're asleep or on vacation. 5. The hidden power of licensing and royalties. Get paid over and over again. Have you ever wondered why musicians, authors, and inventors keep making money from work they did years ago? It's because of royalties and licensing fees. This is one of the smartest passive income strategies because once you own something valuable, others will pay you to use it. Here are some ways to earn through royalties and licensing. Music and video licensing. If you create original music, beats, or even short animations, you can license them to companies and content creators. Every time someone uses your work, you get paid. Book publishing. If you write a book, you don't just make money when it first sells. You continue earning royalties for years as long as people keep buying it. Patents and apps. If you invent something useful or develop an app, you can license it to businesses and collect ongoing fees without having to manage the business yourself. Think long-term. The goal is to own something that keeps making money, even when you're not actively involved. 6. Rent out what you already own, the overlooked goldmine. Most people don't realize that they're sitting on money-making opportunities without even knowing it. If you own something valuable, you can rent it out and turn it into passive income. Here are some ideas. Real estate. If you have an extra room, list it on Airbnb and make money from travelers looking for a place to stay. Car rentals. If you own a car but don't use it all the time, you can rent it out on platforms like Turo and make extra income. Equipment rentals. If you have cameras, drones, or power tools, you can rent them to freelancers and businesses that need them temporarily. People are always willing to pay for convenience, and your unused assets could be generating income right now. 7. Create an automated subscription service, recurring income. Have you ever noticed how companies like Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon Prime make billions every month? They don't rely on one-time sales. They make money on Autopilot through subscriptions. Subscription-based passive income ideas. Membership websites offer exclusive content, coaching, or training behind a paywall. Example: Patreon, Kajabi, or OnlyFans for educators. SaaS, software as a service. Build an app or tool that people subscribe to. Subscription boxes. Curate and send products to subscribers each month. The key to success? Make something people need continuously and watch the payments roll in every month. 8. Sell merch or print on demand. No inventory needed. What if you could sell your own custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or posters without ever handling inventory? With print-on-demand services, you can. Easy ways to start a merch business. Printful and Teespring. Upload your designs, and they handle printing and shipping. Etsy and Redbubble. Sell creative merchandise without upfront costs. Personal branding. Create a brand and sell to your followers. The best part? No need to stock products or deal with shipping. Everything is automated. 9. Invest in peer-to-peer lending. Be the bank. Did you know you can make money just like banks do, by lending money and earning interest? It's called peer-to-peer lending. Platforms to start lending. Funding, Circle, and Prosper. Loan money to businesses or individuals. Crypto lending. Platforms like Binance or Nexo allow you to earn interest on your crypto. Microloans. Help small entrepreneurs while earning steady returns. You don't need to be a millionaire to start. Small investments can bring in passive cash flow over time. 10. Buy and flip domain names. The digital real estate boom. Ever heard of digital real estate? Some people are making thousands of dollars by simply buying and selling domain names. How it works. Find valuable, brandable domain names. Example: catchy brand names or trending keywords. Buy them at a low price. GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Sell them for a huge profit. People have made millions doing this. Domain flipping is like real estate investing, but in the digital world, and it can be a gold mine. 11. Monetize AI-generated content, the future of passive income. We're in the age of artificial intelligence, and smart entrepreneurs are using AI to create automated passive income streams. AI-powered passive income ideas. AI-generated blogs. Use tools like ChatGPT and Jasper to create content that ranks on Google. AI video channels. Use AI-generated voiceovers and visuals to build faceless YouTube channels. AI-designed digital art. Sell AI-created designs as prints or NFTs. Automation is the future, and those who leverage AI early will have a serious advantage. 12. Build a personal brand and monetize your influence. Imagine getting paid just for being you. That's exactly how influencers make money. Whether you're an expert, entertainer, or storyteller, you can build a brand and monetize it. Ways to monetize your personal brand. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. Sponsorships and brand deals. Get paid to feature brands. Paid newsletters and courses. Share exclusive knowledge for a price. Your knowledge, experience, and personality can be turned into a money-making empire. Why not start today? The best time to start is now. Passive income is not just for the rich. It's for those who take action. Whether you start with digital products, investing, or building an online business, the sooner you start, the sooner you'll make money in your sleep. So, what's stopping you from building passive income today? You don't need $1 million to start. Pick one method, take action, and be patient. The earlier you start, the sooner you'll wake up to money in your bank account without lifting a finger. Which of these passive income ideas will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And remember, the only difference between you and the rich is that they took action first. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to Success Handshake, and hit the notification bell. We've got more wealth-building secrets coming your way. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and keep making money while you sleep.